since I first saw you. It's been a while since I could stand on my own 2 feet again. It's been a while since I could call you. And everything I can remember is messed up past it all may seem. The consequences that are rendered stretch myself beyond my means. It's been a while since I could say that I wasn't addicted, and it's been a while since I can say I love myself as well. It's been a while since I've gone and messed things up just like I always do. It's been a while, but all that stuff seems to disappear when I'm with you. And everything